Okay, so let's take a look at fixed assets in QuickBooks. So fixed assets are like your laptop, your furniture, anything that you can use in business and get reimbursements or any form of concession in tax, right? So those items comes under your fixed assets. So you go to list, then you go to fixed asset item list. Now let me maximize this. As you can see, this entire list is empty, right? Here you add item by selecting this item button and then click new. Now here I will have to add asset name. Let's say I have Asus laptop, and then let's try and put its account. So we select this and we'll have to find something that matches to it. So basically it's an expense, but if it's not listed here, then you will have to manually add it, right? So here you can see computer and internet expense, you can add that. Then description, can add Asus laptop, then it's basically ROG laptop, Zephyrus, so we can add that here. Then we can add the date where it was purchased. So let's say September 30th. Cost was, let's say, 800 USD, or say collecting all the costs it goes to 989, right? So vendor was official Asus Limited. And then you have description where you can give information related to assets like your laptop specs. You can add them in notes too. Then location where it was purchased, then PO number, serial number. So this will be handy if you want to remember its warranty expire. You have to put the date, right? And let's say after usage you don't use this item anymore, you can mark it as inactive. Also, if you sell this item, you can check this mark and give the details of sales. It will also make the item inactive. Now you have to add this asset. What you can do is click OK. Now if you need some custom fields, you can click on custom fields and add the data related to that asset, right? So all the assets that come under reimbursements or some form of business expense, you can add them here. So even your vehicle or say some form of service or system where you are spending your money for business expense, you can add that into fixed asset. Make sure that those are matching with your IRS data, right? Like something like, say you are using your furniture or renting something, then you can add that into fixed assets as well. Click OK. Right now here it is asking you to check the spelling if you click on spelling, right? So let me close this, and now here you see our asset is added. You can keep on adding all the assets. You can also create report out of them, something like quick report. So fixed asset listing, so all the fixed assets and the money being spent on them will be listed in report. You can use this for your information.